How to set up a TikTok shop. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you on how you can set up a TikTok shop. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and easy, so let me go through quick. First things first, what you'll have to understand is TikTok Seller Center allows you to run your e-commerce business directly on TikTok with solutions for store operations management, customer service and engagement, seller growth and education, performance analysis, and policy updates. Now, before you set up a shop in TikTok Seller Center, you'll have to understand TikTok Seller Center is available in certain regions such as Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, United Kingdom, United States, and Vietnam. You'll need to provide documents to verify your business. You'll also need to provide banking info for your business, and you'll need a valid phone number and email address as well. Now, how you can set up, let's get straight. You want to simply sign into your account on TikTok Seller Center, or you want to sign up a TikTok account or your email and phone number. So you want to head into seller.tiktok.com, then you want to choose whether you're Asia seller here or Europe or North America. Then choose your particular region, choose your country, then click enter. Then choose what type of business you want to set up a shop for. If you're selling under your own name as an individual, if you're creating a shop for a business, you need to provide information like your legal business name and employment identification number as well. So I'll just choose here Europe seller and United Kingdom seller and enter here this way. Then all you gotta do is complete these steps to verify your information. Enter in your certain information. If you haven't yet signed up, you can sign up using Google or TikTok account or your phone number as well. Then after verification, you want to set up your shop's warehouse or pickup address. Provide your country or region and provide a straight address for your business. Enter the name of your preferred contact person. Enter your postcode and then add your phone number. You want to also provide a return address for your shop. Then check the box to agree the relevant terms and click Start Your Business. Once you do so, you need to verify your documents to confirm your identity and eligibility under applicable laws to sell your product or services. So this is how you can set up the TikTok Seller account. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.